So it's Saturday, the 30th of May, 2020 at 6 o'clock of an evening. And I've just spent an hour installing this part of the mosaic that I've been just working on the last week or so. So really pleased that it didn't take long to install it. And I'm really pleased at the sparkliness of it all with lots of faceted glass, as you can see. So the tile adhesive that I used, my favourite, is Bell's Max Flex Fibre, and the mirror is reflecting the window opposite as well, so there's going to be a lot of light bouncing off, but not to the point it burns the house down, because obviously you've got a textured bit of window there. So that's what it looks like today. So I'm really pleased with that. So what I'm going to do next is give it a break with this part and continue down here. I have a plan and I'm thinking white peacock. So more of that soon enough. Woohoo!